Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can get a QR code for Microsoft Authenticator. So let's get started. First, open the Microsoft Authenticator app on your phone. When you open the app, you may be asked to sign in. The way you get the QR code depends on which account or service you're trying to set up. If you're setting up Microsoft Authenticator with a Microsoft account, you can get the QR code from the security section of the Microsoft website. Once you reach the Authenticator setup page, Microsoft will display a QR code that you can scan using the app. If you're setting up Authenticator for another service, you'll need to open that service on your computer and go to its two-step verification or security settings. Look for the option to set up an Authenticator app, and the service should display a QR code on your screen. In the Authenticator app, tap the QR code scanning option at the bottom right corner. Then point your phone's camera at the QR code displayed on your computer screen. If you're setting up a verified ID, you can also select the Verified IDs option in the app and scan the QR code provided by the service. Keep in mind that the QR code is generated by the specific platform or account you're trying to connect, not directly by Microsoft Authenticator. I hope this video answers your question. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.